97 million Americans own an Alexa device. If your business isn't showing up when someone asks, "Alexa, find a plumber near me," you don't exist to them. And here's the part nobody talks about. You can get paid to fix that for other businesses. Real numbers first. A person doing this part-time is realistically looking at $300 to $800 a month in the first 90 days. Not overnight riches. But it's one of the lowest-cost service businesses you can start in 2026. Let's break down if it's actually worth your time. This is for people who are comfortable talking to small business owners, don't mind doing repetitive setup work, and want a service business with almost no inventory. This is not for you if you hate sales calls, or if you're looking for something fully passive. This needs your hands on it, especially in month 1. So what is this business, exactly? You're helping local businesses, restaurants, salons, clinics, home services, get properly listed and optimized so Alexa can actually answer questions about them. Hours, location, services, even bookings in some cases. You make money by charging a one-time setup fee, then a monthly retainer to keep listings accurate and, for bigger clients, build a custom Alexa skill. Think of it like a mini app that lives inside Alexa. Now, why does this matter right now? Industry estimates suggest around 35% of Americans aged 12 and up, that's roughly 100 million people, own a smart speaker, and Amazon Echo alone holds about 65% of that market. Voice assistant usage across smartphones and speakers combined is expected to keep climbing toward 2029. That's a massive, mostly ignored channel. Most small business owners have never even heard the term voice search optimization. That gap is your opportunity. Let's talk money, what it actually costs to start. Category cost: equipment, laptop, basic mic, Echo device for testing, $150, $300 licenses/legal, LLC filing, basic business license, $100, $500 inventory/raw material, $0, service business, space/rent, $0, work from home, website/simple CRM, $200, $600 marketing, initial outreach materials, business cards, $100, $200 miscellaneous, software subscriptions, buffer, $100, $150 total minimum investment, $650, $750. Here's where that money actually goes. The Echo device isn't optional. You need one to test every client setup yourself, not just trust it looks right on paper. The LLC and license protect you legally the moment you take client payments. Skip it and you're personally liable if something goes wrong. Your website isn't for looks. It's your proof of legitimacy when a business owner Googles you before paying. Marketing dollars go towards simple flyers or a Google business presence, not paid ads yet. You don't need those at this stage. Monthly operating costs are light. Expect $40 to $80 for CRM or scheduling tools, $20 to $30 for basic marketing, maybe $50 for continued software subscriptions. Realistically, $60 to $150 a month keeps this running once you're past setup. Income potential: 3 ways. Conservative, 2 to 3 clients a month at $150 setup fee plus $50 monthly retainer. Call it $400 to $500 monthly. Realistic, 5 to 8 clients with a mix of setup and retainer work, landing between $1,000 to $2,000 a month by month 4 or 5. Optimistic, 10 plus recurring clients plus custom skill building projects for bigger businesses, pushing $3,000 to $5,000 monthly. Profit margins here are unusually high, 60 to 80%, because there's no inventory eating into revenue. Break even is fast. With a startup cost around $1,000 and even conservative income, most people recover their investment within 30 to 60 days. This is one of the quicker break-evens in the service business space. Now, the mistakes. People try to sell this to businesses that don't need it. A nail salon with 0 online presence isn't ready for voice search yet. They need basics first. Others undercharge because it feels easy to them, forgetting the client is paying for the result, not your hours. And a lot of people skip testing. They set something up, never actually ask Alexa the question themselves, and the client finds the error before they do. Don't be that person. Where's the real opportunity here? Most competitors in this space target large corporations. Nobody's serving the local dentist, the family-owned restaurant, the independent contractor. That's your lane. Differentiate by bundling Alexa setup with basic local SEO. Most small businesses don't separate the two in their head anyway, so package it that way. Here's how you actually start. Step 1. register your business and get a simple website up. Step 2. Buy an Echo device and spend a week testing how 10 different local businesses currently show up on Alexa. You'll find gaps immediately. Step 3. Build one free case study, even for a friend's business, so you have proof. Step 4. Reach out to 15 to 20 local businesses per week, showing them exactly what's broken about their current listing. Step 5. Price your first 5 clients slightly lower to build reviews and referrals, then raise rates. You will need a few tools. A basic website to look credible, and a simple CRM to track client conversations, follow-ups, and renewal dates. Without this, you'll lose track of who's due for their monthly check within a month or two. Here's why that matters. Manually tracking 10-plus clients in a notebook falls apart fast, and missed renewals directly cost you retainer revenue. This is exactly where SoftAngles can help. They build simple, affordable websites and CRM systems for service businesses like this one. If setting this up yourself sounds like a distraction from actually getting clients, book a free consultation with SoftAngles, links in the description, and they'll give you a real cost estimate. Marketing-wise, keep it simple. Online, a Google business profile, short demo videos showing before and after Alexa searches for real businesses. Offline, walk into local businesses directly. Most owners respond better to a 5-minute in-person demo than any cold email. Low-budget strategy. Your first 10 clients should come from direct outreach, not ads. It costs nothing but time. Once you have proof and testimonials, scale with referral incentives and small local Facebook ad spend. Challenges are real. This depends on you explaining a fairly technical concept in simple terms. If you can't make it click for a non-technical business owner, you'll struggle to close deals. Amazon's own tools and requirements also shift over time, so you need to stay updated. And retention requires actual follow-through, not just a one-time setup and disappearing. Quick do's and don'ts. Do test every setup yourself before showing a client. Do start with businesses you already have some relationship with. Don't oversell what Alexa can do. Be honest about its limits. Don't take on more clients than you can properly service in month 1. A bad first impression kills referrals fast. Final verdict. This is worth starting if you're patient, communicate well, and can handle in-person or phone sales conversations. It's low cost, low risk, and the market gap is genuinely underserved right now. It is not for you if you want something fully automated or if you're uncomfortable pitching businesses face-to-face. Realistically, give it 4 to 6 months before judging whether it's working. If this kind of breakdown is useful, subscribe. I'm covering one low-budget business like this every week with real numbers, not hype. And if you're building something like this and need the tech side handled properly, website, CRM, booking system, SoftAngles offers a free consultation, links below. Take the numbers, make your own decision, and I'll see you in the next one.